Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about zfill function. What is this work of this function? It fill up the zeros for the beginning of a specific string, a specific number by digits. So here C fills the string with a specific number of zero values at the beginning. So how it is going to be work? Let's see through an example. So text equal to, suppose here I will taken as a suppose two characters Q and W. So print text dot zfill with 10. So it fills the 10 zeros from the beginning, and the counting is generally including these two characters also. Means here 10 is generally included two character, that is Q and W, and added 8 zeros before this particular character or preceded by these two characters. Okay, how? Let's see here added 8 zeros, then after that two characters. Fine. So see another example. Text equal to 20. Fine. Print then text dot zfill 10. Okay, it is also giving you 20 and filling with 8 zeros before the 20. Okay, so this is the function zfill, fill of the specific number of zeros before the string. Okay, at the beginning. Okay, beginning of the string. And that's it. If you have any doubt on this particular function, go through the comment box, type there, and please like and share this video. Click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.